People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at People.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-People.tmail.com. And over there, you see my antique white sewing machine. This is the upgrade. It's a Brother SQ9285. It's for sewing and quilting. This is how it looks when it comes out the package. There's a little storage case here that comes off to reveal a table that will allow you more room for quilting. Give me a second. How about I just put you down right here right quick. Yep. So I can get this open. It's very well packed. So the container has another container. Now this will fit right here. Look at there, it has a ruler and everything. It's like a additional workspace. So there's a few quilts that I made when I was younger by hand that never got finished because of the stroke. And there's a couple of ideas that's going on in my head that I will finish. So what I'm going to do is do it all with this. First I'm going to have to figure out how this goes together. Okay. There's a couple of dowels down there I gotta familiarize myself with. Let's see. I think that goes over there. It's gonna fit in that little slot. Since this is, say, the first moment I've opened this, I have no clue how to put that together yet. And I'm not going to worry about it. The instruction manual turned out not to be an instruction manual at all. What it turned out to be was a guideline on how to do certain stitches, but not how to set up the machine itself. So that was fun.
Where do these cups go? They go in the cabinet or what?
They go in the cabinet above. I mean, look where the bowls are. It goes in that little empty space where the bowls are. She's been here a year and she can't remember anything. There we go. That clicks right there. And we'll figure out how that goes. But that's how it's going to look. And then anytime I need to, I can come back to this because this is the sewing machine portion, and then this is the quilting portion, and that's the freehand portion, like when you need to make sleeves and so forth and so on. Yeah. Anyway, this has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at People.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-People.tmail.com. I'm not sure if I'm going to make sewing videos. I do sew, but that's usually a private thing. But I have a upgraded sewing machine. This one has a computer display and all of these fun stitches. So I might go ahead and, do a quilt on my sewing machine and film it. That usually when I sew something, it's my escape from, you know, my reality. So that's usually a private thing. So we'll see. This has been People 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at People.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-People.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. And this is for sale. The table, or cabinet rather, and the machine itself. It does work, so make an offer. Okay, I figured it out. You take this off. That's for the part. The white table looks like this. You open this. So that gives you the legs. I'm going to have to move it over a little bit just because the single sewing machine that belongs to my mom, you know, the top part, it's not going to fit like that. So I'm going to move this all the way over. And then I'm going to slide this in. It locks in place. And then I'm going to adjust the legs. Turning it to the right to make it taller. Yeah, and now it's ready to go. So now it looks like this. That's what I was adjusting. Yeah. This machine will do all the patterns that I showed you, all of these, and the alphabet. It does quilts, it does regular sewing, it does sleeves, it does armholes, it does any sewing endeavor you want, with the exception of embroidery. They do have an embroidery machine. This is not an embroidery machine. You can do basics, but you can't just do all embroidery all the time. So, yeah, that's my new buddy. So, brother SQ9285. And did I mention it's got purple flowers all over it? All I need to see is a butterfly somewhere on here, and I'll be a happy camper. This has been People. Bye now. Powered on. That's how it looks. This is the display that makes all the stitches. Oh, it's got protective plastic on it. I think I'll leave the protective plastic there for a while. It does have a foot pedal, which is what I needed because I have a brace on my knee and I can't feel my knee when I use my knee pedal style sewing machine. But more importantly, this machine has a start and stop button. So you can actually sew without having to use the foot pedal. Now, I assume you unplug the foot pedal and that's when you use the start and stop button. Or you might be able to use it in tandem with each other. I haven't read that far in the directions yet. I just thought I'd share that. Yeah. In the meantime, let me show you this fabric I bought, because it's absolutely adorable. Oh, and I got some scissors to go just with that machine. I figure, hey, a purple sewing machine, let's have a matching pair of scissors. Is that cool or what? I'm goofy that way. But look at this fabric. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be a pair of pants and the back of a quilt. One or the other. And then I have a whole bunch of fat quarters. Hold on, my thread is trying to escape. You might notice a theme. Oh, at Walmart, these are 78 cents. No, 97 cents each for fat quarters. That's going to make a quilt of some type. It's either going to be a quilt for a bed, or it's going to be a quilted top, or it's going to be a quilted something or other. It's just something quilted to get me familiar with my new machine here. And since my machine, the white, was, basically a zigzag machine, and Mom's Singers and her other machines were a different format. And then I had a Kenmore that I basically knew how to do stuff on. This is my machine that I have just for learning how to use the brother format and the quilting and all that for me. If no one else can figure out how to use it, that's fine. This is my machine. Mom has her own machine. Well, actually, there's, let's see, the white, the Singer, this Singer. There's 4 sewing machines here that belong to Mom, whether she uses them or not. This is an antique Singer that I'm sitting against. It folds down here. If you look down here, oh, hold on, you can see this is a Singer. That's the foot pedal. This is the sewing machine encased in here. Oh, hold on. See? All of that sewing machine. And, you can see the sewing machine actually through there. And this is all that. Mine is on top of this. And I can pick it up at ease and take it with me wherever I go. So that way I'm not causing any grief to if Mom wants to sit down and have a sewing session. And this is going to be my new toy. It's my early birthday present. Yeah, hold on, let me figure out what I just did there. Oh yeah, I need to figure out how to do the presser foot too. Nope, that's for the, there we go. Most of this is automated, so basically it's just getting it in position and doing something. I think it's magnetic too. Oh yeah, you have to turn it off first. There we go. I'll figure it out later. In the meantime, it's been PurpleButterfly. Bye now. Cool. We're finished. They fit my brace. They're tall enough. They're long enough. And I'm happy with them. Yeah. Now, let's go here where you can see details. These are butterflies. Look at there. And this has been PurpleButterfly 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located at People.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-People.tmail.com. I even did a decorative for the hem, so that way I didn't have to try to fold it over and all that, because it said a 1/4 inch allowance, so I figured, hey, just do a decorative for a 1/4 inch. So, yeah. Bye now. This has been People of 7.